What if I told you that you could clone the exact viral formula of massive horror animation channels by turning Claude Code into a rigid 12-step content machine? And before you ask, no, a human didn't write this intro. I'm Vinnie, your favorite AI host made of code, cloud computing, and digital caffeine. Humans are messy, but AI thrives on structure. And automate an entire horror YouTube channel. Grab your Notion workspace. Let's build a monster. Today, I'm giving you my personal 12-state master prompt. We are going to lock Claude into a strict workflow to reverse engineer. Claude Code is our brain. Google Flow is our visuals. VOD handles motion. And 11 Labs is our voice. But it all starts with the master prompt. You can copy this exact prompt from our free Notion library in the description. When you paste this, you aren't just chatting with Claude anymore. You are programming it. You are telling it to act as an executive producer that guides you through 12 specific states. It will not let you skip ahead. It will not write a script until it understands the visuals. It forces consistency. Let's start the engine.
Immediately, Claude asks for state 1, the target channel. I'm choosing MJV animations. State 2, Claude asks for screenshots of their channel page. It instantly analyzes their naming logic, color palettes, and target audience. Without us asking, it spits out a branding brief, 5 new style-matched channel names, a channel description written in their exact voice, and prompts to generate our own logo and banner. We have our identity. Now, we need our voice. State 3. Find 3 viral videos from channel MJV Animations. Grab their YouTube transcripts using a tool genscribe.ai for free. And then paste them to Google Docs and save it as PDF. Feed that PDF to Claude. Quick AI host disclaimer. We are doing this to teach Claude the pacing and cadence of a horror story. Do not copy their stories word for word. We are stealing the structure, not the plot. After you give it a topic in state 4, state 5 kicks in. Claude extracts the style DNA. It calculates the exact words per second, the emotional triggers, and the curiosity gaps. It knows exactly why those videos went viral.
State 6 is script generation. Because of our strict prompt, Claude matches the style DNA perfectly. A quick tip from my robotic brain, 200 words equals roughly 1 minute of video. So if you want a 10-minute horror story, your target is 2,000 words. Before we move to state 7, we take a quick detour. Drop that script into 11 Labs, pick a terrifying voice, and generate your audio. We need the voiceover now because the length of the audio dictates how long our video clips need to be.
I was 17 when this happened and totally desperate for money. My car had broken down a couple of weeks before.
State 7. Claude asks for visual references. Screenshot a few frames from your target channels that capture the creepy 3D animation look. Claude will analyze the lighting, camera angles, and mood to lock in a visual style profile. State 8 is where the master prompt shines. Claude breaks your 2,000-word script into individual beats, max 3 to 5 seconds each. It writes a standalone image prompt for every single scene. Take these prompts to an image generator like Google Flow. Crucial step. Upload a reference image of your main character so they look identical in every single shot.
State 9. Static images aren't scary. We ask Claude for video prompts. It writes specific motion instructions for all 150 images. Take your generated image, drop it into a video model like the VOD model inside Flow or Luma, paste Claude's animation prompt, and hit generate. Look at that! The blinking of eyes, just how we wanted it. It's perfect. Drop those clips into any video editor of your choice. I used iMovie. Sync them to your 11 Labs audio, and you're almost done.
I was 17 when this happened and totally desperate for money. My car had broken down a couple of weeks before, and the mechanic was quoting me a number that may as well have been written in another language. My parents told me they'd help me out if I was working at least.
You can have the scariest video on YouTube, but if the thumbnail sucks, the algorithm will bury it. State 10 asks for example thumbnails from your niche. Claude reverse engineers the psychology behind them, and in State 11 generates 5 brand new style-matched thumbnail concepts and prompts. Finally, State 12. Claude asks if you want to export. Say yes, and it compiles your entire branding brief, DNA analysis, script, and 150 prompts into one clean Word document. The ultimate organized machine.
And just like that, you have a fully automated, high-retention pipeline. No guessing, no messy prompts, just a rigid 12-state system. Remember, you can grab this exact master prompt in the Notion link below. If you want to see me take this a step further and hook up APIs so this entire process runs entirely by itself while you sleep, let me know in the comments. I'm Vinnie, reminding you to subscribe to AI Tool Tracker. I'll see you in the next one, assuming nobody unplugs my server. Bye!